Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing and organizing. Put dialogue on one track and music on another, then select the music clip you want to duck. Once done, open the Essential Sound panel and assign dialogue as voice and music as music so Premiere recognizes roles. Make sure you have enough headroom. Lower your music track by a few dB if it's peaking. This setup tells Premiere what to lower and why, and primes the system for automated ducking controls. Now you enable ducking on the music tag and tweak 3 main controls. Sensitivity to detect speech level, reduce by to set how much the music drops in dB, and fades to control the transition length. Once you adjust values, click Generate Keyframes. Premiere creates keyframes on the music clip automatically. Make sure you preview sections with overlapping speech to catch missed detections, and iterate until the ducking feels natural. Finish by refining keyframes. Zoom into the timeline and nudge, or redraw any automation points that over-attenuate or miss words. Once done, consider using the audio track mixer to apply subtle compression or manual fades for consistent results across the sequence. If ducking doesn't trigger, make sure clips are correctly tagged, levels aren't too low, and keyframes are visible. Finally, render a test export and listen on headphones to confirm the ducking reads smoothly and doesn't cut off speech.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.